Okay, so this is problem 4.3.81, and a question was asked over email about this. The directions just say simplify, and they give you this expression right here. You have 8, and that 8 is being taken to, and this is in the exponent here, a log base 8 of 6. Turns out that we have a rule, it's one of our logarithm rules, that says this: if you have something that's in a base of a, and it's raised to having an exponent of log base a of x, that's actually always equivalent to x, given that your x is greater than 0. Okay, so if you're looking at the hard copy of the book, it's, let's see if I can get it on there. It's this rule right here. It's on page 456. Can't see it very well, but so, that's just a logarithm rule that they give us. And if we just use that logarithm rule, you can see that this right here would be equivalent to whatever that number is. It's just equivalent to 6. So that's if you're using the rule. Let me just explain to you why this rule is the way it is. So, our basic conversion formula for logarithms is this. If you have a log base a of x and it's equivalent to y, you can convert this into the exponential form and get a to the y is equal to x. So those things are interchangeable right there. Okay. So if I were to think of this 8, to the log base 8 of 6, if I were to think of it as being in this form right here, where I have a base of a, and my a is actually the 8, and I'm taken to the exponent here of a y, and that y would be this whole logarithm right here, then it would be equal to x. And I could think about what happens if I convert this into this form. Let's just take a look at it. So why don't I set this equal to x, because I know it's 6, but let's just let it be x. Then in this formula right here, this is our x, this 8 is our a, oops, and this expression right here is our y. Okay, so if I were to convert this, it's going to look like log base a, my a is my 8, of x in this instance is just x, and that's equal to my y, and my y here is this whole expression, log base 8 of 6. So if you look at this expression, if you have log base 8 of something equal to log base 8 of something else, those somethings have to be equal to each other. So this is another way that you can just look at this and say, that this has got to be equal to this expression right here, which is our x, has got to be equal to 6. Okay. So the basis of that, what they were wanting you to do is have this rule memorized and just apply that rule and call it 6.